Okay, Julie says, could you please talk a bit more about monetization? Are there something you can do with both YouTube and other social media accounts? So, yeah, so if I understand this question correctly, I think there are two folds, right? One is how do you get maybe more views, more watch time? Absolutely. You want to share your YouTube videos. I actually don't see people do that enough. I see people work on their videos so hard. Guys, if you ever edited a video in iMovie, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci, it is, I mean, it is emotional labor. It's hard work. What's the point of doing that if you don't have an outlet to actually share it? So especially at the beginning of building your channel, it is crucial to try to tell more people about it. You can even tailor the information. So let's say if Joe Schmo reached out to say, or someone, for example, asked a question during the session today, Faye, how do you set up an LLC? Should I do it? That could be one of the videos you practice creating, right? Because that question is already there in the market. Share on social media, pay attention to what people are talking about. Social media is actually going to give you a lot of hints. If you belong to a Facebook group, or maybe you're on Slack a lot more, maybe you're a Reddit person, Quora. But I definitely see these days a lot of people are still very active in Facebook groups, even if they're not that active on their personal profiles. Why? Because Facebook groups tend to acknowledge and address specific problems and questions or pain points. So you want to go in there, and maybe that's a good place for you to share your video. One thing, as some of you probably know, you can these days just drop a video. Hey guys, check it out. I did this video. Everybody come, just watch it. So the last thing, YouTube is not the only channel for you to monetize your work. There are other channels for sure. Recently, Facebook page of Facebook is allowing you to monetize directly on their platform. I believe, yeah, Instagram as well. TikTok's requirements are completely different. I believe theirs is, once you have 10,000 followers as opposed to 1,000, but a lot less watch time. So explore all fronts, but maybe set your focus, right? If you want to grow on YouTube, you might want to make sure you focus on YouTube as a channel as opposed to spreading yourself super thin on multiple channels.